What's up guys, exhaust power. I put on these OE side skirts from aeroworks.caall and I'm going to go over them a little bit. These are fiber reinforced plastic and they do go over the OE side skirts. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I had to do to get them on. I'm pretty sure because of the pandemic there's no side skirts on eBay. I was originally going to buy a polyurethane one.
Alright, putting on the OE option side skirts on the 5th gen. I'm taking the side skirts off. Then I'm going to put the OE ones onto the OEM side skirts. And I got these two screws out. One right here, one right there. It's easy to get to them with a short stubby Phillips and turning the wheel a little bit. It gives me enough room to get in there. But now it's time to pop the side skirt off. If I remember correctly, it should, if I push the side skirt this way, it should pop off. So I'm going to do that now and see how it goes. Okay, I put these pop rivets, they're like plastic rivets. I put one in that end, put one in the middle, and it just has one holding it on. You can see I made a couple mistakes. This one's a mistake as well. And then I drill through. I drilled through that hole, and I drilled through that hole. So that'll be that should be fine. I should drill it a little slightly bigger, but I gotta see how it looks on the vehicle.
So putting the side skirts back on, I took all the clips out of the side of the vehicle and I put them in the side skirts to pop them back on. Now these side skirts are a pain to slip the old ones inside of them, so it took a couple tries to figure it out. And though they say these are like flexible, I mean they are flexible, but they're really tight. There's like a small crack in an area, you really can't see it, but overall it looks pretty good. It fits pretty tight, so it does rub the door just slightly, but it looks good. You can't really tell that it's fiberglass or anything, you know, and you can't really see the rivets I put in. You can see the one, maybe the one rivet. So that's all for today, and I hope to get more prelude videos on here, so hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming. Alright, see ya.